channel. I thought it was about time and well overdue to do an update on the Smart Brabus. Sorry about the noise, I live near a busy road. Less busy with what's going on in the world at the moment, but anyway, let's crack on. As you can see behind me, we've got the smart car, which is now all fixed. We finished putting it all back together a couple of months ago. I haven't driven it that much. I've done a few shakedown tests, but unfortunately I've got two new issues, both brand new. So let's get the car out of the garage and I can talk you through my new issues. So without further ado, let's get it out. I always forget how much of a squeeze it is to get into this car. I have the key and we have a running car. Yay! You can see the car's running. I'm really chuffed with it. It's been running quite well, other than the two issues I told you about earlier. So my car has an oil leak. The oil's coming from the base of the dipstick. When we put it all back together, perhaps wrongly, well, definitely wrongly, we recycled the O-ring. There is also a lot of corrosion on that dipstick itself, so I've ordered a new dipstick just to be on the safe side, and that should hopefully stop my leak. When the car's running like this, it doesn't leak at all, but as soon as you put any load on the car and you're driving it, all the oil spills out. So it seems to be oil leak after oil leak, but this one is definitely caused by me not fitting a new O-ring to it. My other issue is to do with this bad boy. As you can hear, or not, my horn doesn't work. Not only does my horn not work, I can't change gear anymore with the paddles. So I'm going to need to get this taken off and have a look at all of the wiring and connectors at the back here. To get this off, there's a Torx bit right deep down there. Unfortunately, all of my Torx don't fit really down there. You need something really long and thin, so I've ordered some new super long Torx, so hopefully I can get that steering wheel off. I'll do a video on how hopefully I resolve this issue. I'm sure other people have similar things. There's a great article on Evolution, so again, thank you for the guys who run Evolution. I can't thank you enough, and it's definitely the best 10 or £15, whatever the year subscription was. So yeah, definitely if you own one of these cars, you need to spend that £10–15 if you want to maintain the car yourself. It is well worth it. But well chuffed with the car. I'm not disappointed with the journey up to this point. It's a good peace of mind that it's all sorted. Just for those of you who are wondering how much I've spent on this car so far, I did a bit of a tally up of all of the invoices and all the bills. This so far I've spent, I think it's £930. Bearing in mind I spent £3,000 on the car. I appreciate that's a third of the purchase price, but I'm not disappointed. And anyone who's thinking of buying one of these cars, you know, definitely do your checks and factor in, you know, some bills, especially if it's not been looked after, which this one I think has been looked after, but perhaps not. It's missed quite a few services. Those of you who've been watching the previous videos, you can see I've put a license plate on it as well, so it matches my other cars. So I am planning on keeping this. So definitely subscribe if you do like watching content on smart cars, and yeah, I'll keep them coming. I'll shoot a video on the steering wheel, and yeah, thank you for watching.